Today we have done just little practice with it, but from next time you begin to see it, because I'll begin to pin it, the link on the live show. Okay, and you begin to see the video posts that I'll begin to post videos about it. I'm pinning it on the video. Does it not look so elegant and gorgeous? So I mean, the Japanese guy that I saw yesterday in the night, when you asked me how am I really doing this, that I keep this body to be so fit like this, I hope you can see. I hope you can see what I have used and what I have lifted today. That's it. You know, I can train anybody. I can train anybody. Thank you for that big gift. I see that, man. You gave me something big. I see that. Thank you so much. Something big will happen in your life. Something big that is very good, okay? Something big that is very good will happen in your life. Something big that you will be shocked and you'll be so happy. So, as you've seen, this one is used instead of, let's push it away first because we want to speak about something. Instead of the normal way of me using this, right? Using this, let's lose it a little bit. Using this to do this, right? Right? That is why I got this one. This one is the one to do that. This is built. This is built for that. Is it not elegant on the screen? That is why we always appear elegant when we go out also, because what we use, they are all elegant, attractive, beautiful. And the strong ones are very strong. This is why when we go out, we appear elegant and strong. Because when I look the things I use, how they appear in their own different ways, different style, different ways, you know, like anyway, I don't want to bring them, but